Vlogmas, some days before Christmas. Welcome. I don't really like doing vlogs, and this is the reason why. I don't know where I'm looking, and my life is not as adventurous as some people who do vlogs, but anyway, I'm gonna give it a good go. Okay, so some days I'm gonna be filming on my camera and some days I'm gonna be filming on my phone, which is why I'm looking like this. Okay, hence away. This morning I'm making my way to the Amari Meat office because I need to process some orders, and it's a bit gloomy this morning, gotta say. It's a little bit gloomy. Today I just slicked my hair in a really loose, you see that bun? Really loose, low bun. I've got lots of things I'm doing today. I'm going to the office, processing some orders because there are a lot of orders coming through, which I'm really happy about. And I need to decorate my tree because I need to restore Christmas in my house. Since I was not feeling well, the Christmas tree didn't go up the turn of December. So we are going to put the Christmas tree up, and first of all I need to get some decorations because the decorations in my house are really old. They're tired. I'm going shopping, and then I'm going to be probably doing some online shopping for Christmas because this year everything's gonna have to be done online, you know what I'm saying? I've lost that whole charm about going Christmas shopping, so it's gonna be online. And yeah, so I've not much things I'm doing today, but anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna take you along with me, okay? Don't know which way I'm looking. I'm looking in there. I've got to remember I'm looking in there. I have no idea how I'm gonna be uploading these videos, whether it's gonna be one a day or they're gonna be all bunched up to make up for like 5-10 minutes. Anyway, we'll see, okay? We will see, okay? Anyway, compliments of the season. It is Christmas, and regardless, we're gonna enjoy it this year, okay? Here we go, starting the day. So I'm on my own today. No team members, so it should be a smooth day. I'm gonna get on with working because I'm already feeling tired. So I'll work, and then later on I'll probably be in the stores trying to get some decoration. So let's do my work, okay? Before I start, I'm gonna get some music because I can't work without music. So let's get some worship music going on. It's a bit nice. Like, you know, fill the room with Jesus' presence. Gonna go and see if I can get some more decorations.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah,
but I think I've come too late. Surprise, surprise, hey? There are no decorations here of any quality at all. They're all tacky. But anyway, what did I expect? I think I'm going to go to Zara, I think. And H&M might have some really lovely ones. Anyway, let me quickly go before the shop shuts. Okay, right, so I'm back at home and I feel like we have restored Christmas because the tree is finally up. So I'm going to do a little reveal for you in a bit. I couldn't be bothered to go to Zara. I thought I'll wait for a sale or something and then buy some really beautiful, good quality Christmas decorations. So this is what I got. I got 2 extra stockings because I've got 2 already. These ones look like the quality adult ones, nicely padded with just put that down, with no velvet. Do you like them, Gisela?
Yeah.
Nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
So these will be for Dad or maybe for you too. And I've got the fake fur up there. And then I've got these, what are they? These are the light up Garland balls. So I'm just going to put those up. And we've got some more baubles here. And I think I'm going to make my own wreath for the door or something. I don't know. But I thought I'd buy this. So anyway, I'm just going to put these 2 together.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary.
Right, so we've got a lighting ceremony, okay? Welcome to our Thompson's lighting ceremony for the Christmas lights. Can't see me. All right, Josiah, you ready to put on the lights for the tree? 3, 2, 1. Whoo! Oh, that looks so much better. Yes, very nice. I think we did a good job, didn't we? So we're going to sit down and eat now. So I'm going to come back when our belly is full. Okay. Okay, we are going to watch a movie now. But first of all, we need some snacks, you know, for the movie. Some popcorn. There's a few sweets in here. I believe the boys have eaten most of them. Outrageous. Plantain chips. Oops. There we go. And a cookie because it's just for me. Okay. Yeah, let's just get that straight. So we're deciding to watch. It's between Jingle Jangle and what else? Christmas Chronicles 2. Let me know in the comments if anyone has seen Jingle Jangle or Christmas Chronicles number 2. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And you are seeing me fresh out of the bed with my little satin band on. Gonna have some breakfast, and I don't have much to do today. I'm gonna be going to the office. Basically, Amari is now on holiday. I haven't even announced it. So that leaves me more time to do vlogs and just have some spare time to be with the family. So you're just gonna go with me today and just nothing special, okay? My skin's not looking too bad. Anyway, let's get on with the day. Got more packages coming. Look, Amazon. Something I didn't show you before is the arrangement I did for the wreath. I still need to find a little hook that I can attach to it so that I can put it on the door. But anyway, this is what I ended up creating. You have to kind of you know, mold it to what you want it to look like. Anyway, I shall show you what it looks like on the door later on. Just checking if I have any mail. Yep. I have something. It's a white letter, so it's bound to be something like a bill. Oh, FedEx. Whatever that is.
Look, it's a surprise, surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, oh. Everything go from Maria, yeah, yeah. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me. She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro.
Okay, we just missed something. I should have filmed it.
Oh man,
There was a dog, right? And Caleb, a little puppy came towards Caleb, and then Caleb just shot off, and everyone was laughing at him. What was it like, Caleb?
it's terrifying. That dog was fast.
Oh no. Okay, this is what's happened. Right, we got in, and Caleb is really struggling. No, you're still recovering.
Yeah, that dog was so fast.
3 minutes later. Oh my word! Did your life flash before you?
Yeah. And I looked back, I saw that dog trying to. It bit my foot. It bit my foot.
No, it didn't.
I felt it. It bit my foot, but I just had to flick it away. That's what happened.
Oh, stop it. That's jokes. So same time tomorrow, yeah? Go for a walk tomorrow? Yeah? Are you sure?
I'm not.
Hey, that's right. Overcome it, son. You overcome it.
It will always be Christmas in my heart.